Are you ready, children? Okay, Bittu, ready? Okay, today we are going to learn some action words. Okay, Nana? Sit, all of you. Stand. Walk. Walk. Just walk. Don't run. Just walk. Okay? Run. Stop. Nana, stop. Turn. Very good. Stop. Sit. How you read, Nana? Reading. Yes, very good. Write. How you write, Nana? All of you say how you write. Yes, very good. Sleeping. Very good. Next, pinching. Yes, very good. No, pinching. Very good. Beating. Very good. Eating. How you eat? Very good, Nana. Pushing. How you push? Very good, Nana. Next, throwing. How you throw? Yay, very good. Very good, Nana. How you catch? Catching. Show me how you catch. Yes, very good, Nana. Next, that's it. Okay, that's it for today. Very good, Nana. Very good, all of you.